This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Bgmi. Make sure your account is active and linked. Once logged in, open the Events tab, then Inbox to find the Takemichi Space Gift. Tap the event to view required actions and rewards. You need at least 1/2 free inventory slot to receive items. If device connectivity is stable, 4G/5G or Wi-Fi, proceed to redeem. This step matters because unlinked accounts or full inventory block delivery. Now you perform the event's core action. Complete the mission or spend the stated BP/UC to unlock the Takemichi Space Gift. Once done, tap Redeem or Claim and confirm on the pop-up. Watch the animation to ensure the server acknowledges the exchange. After confirmation, navigate to Mail or Event Rewards. Items commonly appear as attached rewards. Make sure to move any crate keys or skins into inventory. This ensures items are equipped or usable immediately, rather than lost in pending boxes. Finish by opening inventory and equipping skins, or opening crates received from the Takemichi Space Gift. This activates cosmetics immediately. If rewards do not appear, restart Bgmi and recheck mail and event history. Sometimes server lag delays delivery. If still missing, gather your order ID or screenshot, note the time and device model, and contact in-game support. Explain what you did and include proof. This speeds resolution, because support can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.